You can support me via these pages. Hello, my name is V, welcome to version V Studio. This is not my voice, this is AI voice. Let's dive into Project FNERIR design story. There are two types of mecha that I considered, but this time, we will go for the human-like mecha. First, the very initial design of the head area will be drawn to have an overview. We can develop the design from very simple ideas. In this case, I developed the head part from the ideas that a beast is opening its mouth. Now we can develop details from initial ideas. We will have some signature detail on this design. This model is designed as a high-mobility unit. In design language, we will use the triangle shape to emphasize the sleek and agile unit. Then we'll use round detail to balance the design. This is what we need for the head. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next section.